We are Team Supersonic Tortoises.
I am Madhav Malhotra.
Myself Adil Khitwai.
I am Tushar Chok.
I am Anshul Arora.
We bring you the solution for maternal and child health, the Pregna Care System.
Let us evaluate the problems faced by pregnant women in rural areas.
क्या मतलब दिक्कतें आती हैं? डॉक्टर क्या होता है?
नहीं, यहाँ से 1 घंटा लगता है डॉक्टर के पास जाने में।
जब डॉक्टर आपको दवाइयाँ देता है तो फिर समझ आ जाता है कौन सी दवाई क्या लेनी है?
हमको तो समझ नहीं आता है, हरी पीली दवाई होता है।
और अगर हम डॉक्टर कोई गांव में कंप्यूटर के थ्रू उनसे रेगुलर चेकअप करा दें, आपको ना जाना पड़े दूर।
As you can see in these remote and rural areas, because of lack of facilities, lack of awareness and lack of any kind of emergency services like ambulance, the maternal mortality rate and the infant mortality rate has been on a rise in the previous years. These particular areas need special attention, these special medical attention, so that the pregnant women in these areas get regular medical checkup. Let us view the high-level architecture of the Pregna Care System. It has a 3-tier architecture based upon the e-box, the MedCheck device and the web portal.
I want to register myself in Pregna Care System.
Okay. Doctor connects the MedCheck device to e-box, which controls it. The doctor opens the software application on e-box to connect to the MedCheck device.
Your name, please?
Priyanka.
The doctor enters the information about the user in the software application. The information is gathered specific to the maternal health of the women, for example, the previous pregnancy information, current vitals, etc. Now we will show you how a registered user profile is opened in e-box. The web browser in the application opens the user profile. Appointment, vaccination and medicine scheduling options are provided to the doctor.
And this is your MedCheck device. I have put medicines in it.
A new image of Windows CE 7 has been built and deployed in the e-box.
Now we are going to explain you the working of the Pregna Care System. First, I will explain you the functioning of the MedCheck device. Our MedCheck device is built on PEC 16F877A microcontroller. Then we have integrated DS1307 real-time clock RTC. The function of this is it schedules vaccination and the appointment. It works on ISKC protocol. Next we have is DS1820 temperature sensors. This integrates with our circuit and gives the temperature of the patient. Next we have LCD and LEDs, which will remind the user about medicine, vaccination and appointment scheduling. Finally we have serial communication in our MedCheck device. We can serially connect the e-box system with our MedCheck device. Now we introduce you to the origin of our system, the Janani. Janani in Sanskrit means the originator. Correspondingly, the e-box is central to the development of the Pregna Care System. Janani, our e-box centric device, will be deployed in the remote areas. Additionally, being a portable device, this will be installed in ambulance for emergency services.
Let's take a look how e-box allowed us to perform door-to-door registration.
अपना नाम बताइए।
मुन्नी भाई।
MedCheck device reminds the users about the various medicines that have been scheduled for the day. MedCheck device allows us to measure the body temperature. MedCheck device informs about the scheduled appointments. How a system can be used in an ambulance during emergency. Our web portal can also be accessed on Windows Phone 7.
Supersonic Tortoises thanks you.